Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. In pursuing a 109 over our airfield, I dove too fast and lost both my ailerons. And as you can imagine, this left me in a bit of a pickle. But I was able to make a successful landing, and I'm going to tell you how I did that. An aircraft has 3 axes of control: pitch, roll, and yaw. Whenever we move a control surface like the elevator, the rudder, or the ailerons, we create a combination of lift and drag. Understanding what's going on with your aerodynamics will help you to fly the airplane when you've got pieces missing. For more details on how to fly without control surfaces and still survive, check out this video. But let's get back to the problem at hand, and that is, without ailerons, how do you roll the aircraft to change and control direction? And it's done very simply by just using the rudder, which pushes the outside wing faster, creating more lift, and the inside wing slower, creating more drag, which induces a roll and a change of direction. All we have to do now is gently control the aircraft to give ourselves enough room to maneuver and set up a good approach. No need to panic, everything else is working just fine. And with all hell breaking loose above this airfield, I just have to hope that none of the enemy will actually notice me sneaking in for landing. If you're flying a twin-engine aircraft, you can also have an effect on your yaw and roll by increasing or decreasing power on one or the other engine. You may even have lost one of your landing flaps, and the only time you'll figure out that it's not there is as the airplane starts to roll over on its back when you extend them. The solution is, if you notice any particular rolling motion, is to put the flaps back up and land without them. What pitch controls do you have if you've lost your elevators? Certainly you control the pitch by the thrust of the engine. You've also got your flaps, which will pitch the nose up and down. Our first instinct is to bail out of what we think is a very badly damaged aircraft. But try and see if you can fly it first. If you can, you might be able to get home. But as far as landing this aircraft under these conditions is concerned, it's business as usual, no problem. If you've enjoyed this video and get some value out of it, please leave a comment and subscribe and like and all those usual things. But if you want to see more of these videos, specifically with the IL-2 Battle of Stalingrad, I've got about 150 training videos for you to look at. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.